And going out to shoppers this Cyber Monday, police say thieves could be targeting your doorstep with plans to steal holiday packages. Jim Smith is live in Brookline with the story tonight. And Jim, I know you have some tips on protecting ourselves.
Yes, Lisa, thanks to the popularity of online shopping, home delivery seems to be bigger than ever these days, especially during the holidays. But beware, thieves are patrolling the streets and they're looking to intercept your packages.
You don't expect these things, you know. People to come on the porch and just take your package.
In a perfect world, Bridget Smith would be sitting on her front porch when a package is delivered. But that's not always possible. And in Brookline, thieves are prowling the streets looking for delivered packages to steal. Bridget says one carrier tells her they will leave deliveries if nobody answers the door.
They said, if we believe it's a nice neighborhood, we'll leave the package on the doorstep. There's nothing to worry about.
Even if nobody's there, they'll leave it.
Yeah.
This time of the year, it's easy to spot packages left on porches, inside entryways, sometimes with unlocked doors. In Brookline, nearly 100 package grabs this year, double the rate of last year. Michael Andrus is a former UPS seasonal worker.
Because when I used to work for UPS, there wasn't a whole lot they can do. They just have to drop off the package, and the easiest thing is kind of just right behind the truck and take it, and then UPS has to buy it for you. But it doesn't really surprise me that it happens.
But UPS and other companies do offer customer options for delivery. A good idea, especially when it's valuable stuff.
When the iPhone 6 came out, there was a notice on the door that said, you know, this is a package, we didn't leave it because it's valuable. This is our second attempt, this is our third attempt. Like, now please pick it up at our location.
Now, all is not lost. There are some things you can do. Make sure you do ask about those delivery options, especially a potential requirement that you have to sign for a package. And you can also get a trusted neighbor to take the package into their house for you and give it to you later. Live in Brookline, Jim Smith, WBZ News.